Variables. What are variables? Variables are containers for data. What kinds of data, you might ask? There are many types of data. Let's take a look at a simple one, like strings. Strings are collections of characters initialized with either double quotes or single quotes. Strings can be anything. Take a look at these two string variables. First one, we have the variable Phoebe set to the string value of smelly cat, what are they feeding you in double quotes, while in the second one, we have the variable background singer set to the string value of smelly with single quotes. You can learn a couple of things here. For one, variables can be named anything. Second is the casing of the second variable. The first one we encountered earlier, in particular, recognized by the underscore, is called the snake casing. There's also the camel casing and the Pascal casing that we can use in Python. Casings are important in programming because it makes reading code much easier, and also variables initialized with more than 2 words cannot contain spaces. It's important to note that it's best practice for you to be consistent and stick with one type of casing in your code, and that the variable name you choose should make sense in the context of your code. Thirdly is the syntax highlighting. This makes it easy so that you and other coders can easily read your script. For example, we can easily tell this is a string because it's green. When we code, the program we use automatically does this for us. It makes reading code a lot easier. Is there anything else you need to learn about variables? Well, variables cannot contain non-alphanumeric characters, cannot start with numbers, and cannot have the same name as Python keywords. Doing any of this will crash your program, aka throw up an error. In the description, I have 2 links, where in one, you can practice coding without having to download anything, and in the second link, I made a chart explaining all the data types so you can learn more about them.